Good morning, Miss Garcia.
I miss you. I could kiss you right now.
Yeah, well, someday.
Curfew is now in effect. Worldwide death toll rises to over 110 million.
COVID-23 has mutated. All infected Americans are being forced into quarantine camps.
Hey! Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm immune! I'm immune!
Beginning thermal scan. Anomaly detected. You must not attempt to leave your home, or you will be shut on site.
This is my message to you.
They're coming.
Sarah, I'm not letting you give up.
What you're talking about is illegal.
I'm trying to save the one person left in my life that matters to me.